Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for the Motorola Razr Fold. This time I will be reviewing the Poetic Spartan case with MagSafe for the Razr Fold. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for making this case. I appreciate someone making cases for the Razr Fold, so shout out to them. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do in our reviews, to make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How strong is the magnet? The overall feel of the case? Does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But if you've been with Poetic for a while, you know the packaging. You gotta love it. Plain, nice and simple. Gets to the point. Bam. But you have adhesive strips on here too, replacements, extended warranty. You have a built-in screen protector. And then bam. And it has a little kickstand on the side over here too. So again, I wish that they would give me one without the screen protector, but this one does have it. So I don't have a screen protector on my phone, so that's good. Oh yeah, I heard that snap. Let's see. It said adhesive strips, but do I see any? I'm going to try without it. So I'm going to tell you right now, right off the bat, this one does add a little bit more bulk to your phone because it's a bulkier case. Has a little logo there, Poetic, but even without the screen protector, it has lip protection. But with the screen protector on there, yeah, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. You also have camera protection there. Bam, look at that cutout. The power button is open so you can easily get to it. The vine rockers are nice and tactile. And you can use the AI button, but I don't use the AI button. It has hinge protection, which doubles as the kickstand, so let's see that bad boy in action. So yeah, you can do it both ways like that. And it's pretty sturdy too, so bam. Everything lines up at the bottom and, at the top and the bottom. Let's see how this, look, it's responsive. So the glass works good. Not bad at all. Doesn't make it harder or, harder to press. So you get a lot of protection there too for this phone. I like the grip that you have. And then it shows off the beauty without. So yeah, it definitely has some grip on there. Canyon wireless charge. Shout out to, I need to give me a new wireless charger. I know it, y'all, I know. People already told me. Let's see. Yes, you can wireless charge. Will it go away? Nope, it's still charging up there, by the way. Definitely still charging, so that's a good thing. Because some people say, oh, it will stop charging, but it is charging. And then the magnet, yeah, that's pretty strong. Just banging the $1,800 phone around. Let's see. Definitely strong. Is it like super? Yeah, that's pretty good. For what you want and what you get with this case, yes, it is pretty strong on there. Again, you will not be slamming your phone down or doing anything like that. So overall, yeah, the case is, the magnet is strong on there. This is a solid case. Like if you are going hiking somewhere or, you know, in the trails, you can put this case and then definitely protect your $1,800 investment. And then the one thing I know people always want to see too with this case, when you open it up, yes, some of the screen is covered, but it kind of acts like a little holder in there for you. I don't know. This one checks off a lot of boxes. The lip protection is good. I wish they gave me just the front thing without the screen protector, but not a deal breaker. You have camera protection. The buttons are nice and tactile. I like the grip on here. Everything lines up. The magnet is strong. You can wireless charge. So it has a lot going for it. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up from Amazon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Razr Fold 2026. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.